Don't need it.
I call this the girl mascara. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shanrell. This is my daughter Sakura, and today we are very excited because today in the mail came our Ipsy. So Ipsy normally comes in just a bag. I'm not sure why it came in a box. I didn't order the Ipsy Plus, but we usually get right into it and rip it open. We managed to restrain ourselves until we could record. So I'm gonna let her open it here and see what we have inside.
Yeah, let's get that.
If you guys don't know what Ipsy is a $12 a month subscription. You fill out an online form about what kind of bag you want, what type of makeup you like. Need scissors? Okay.
I'll be right back.
Okay. What kind of makeup you like, what kind of skin tone you have, and they use the profile to send you a bag full of samples. And sometimes they'll even throw in full-size items. A lot of times it's lip items. I love Ipsy. It's a great way to try different things for not very much money. Okay,
Ow.
I'll do it.
I want a slice.
I know, I'll do it.
Do we have...
All right, there it's open. I will let her open it though because she's so excited. Okay, here you go. I did order a couple add-ons. Those usually come on the top.
Oh, look at that. Okay, so we got...
Okay, this is an add-on. This is a makeup brush. We'll open this first.
Can I pop the bubble wrap?
Just wait a second, honey. So this is an add-on. I can't even remember what type of brush it is. 160F face brush. Oh, this is from Farrah. So look, it's pretty. It's got a really nice kind of marble looking handle. This gold, what is it called? The Farrah, I'm not positive. Oh, it's very nice and soft. And I actually really like the pointed tip of it, or the pointed end, because it's really nice for storage. That way it doesn't take up nearly as much space. This, you know, it's not actually marble. It just looks really pretty. It's kind of like a hard plastic. Very nice. I will definitely be trying this out today. All right, Sakura has pulled out my other add-on. So this is a pure powder sample. This is the 4-in-1 Pressed Mineral Makeup Broad Spectrum SPF 15 in the shade Light. So I will definitely try this out. At the end, we'll do a try-on of all the stuff that came. So inside the box was our bag. So I'm not sure why it was sent in a box. Maybe because the brushes didn't fit in the bag. But looks like there was something else that was on top.
Marble! That's not real marble, but it looks like marble.
This was on top. This is another brush. This brush looks like it's from Luxie. And I really like Luxie brushes. They send them fairly often in Ipsy, and I really enjoy them. This one's a fan brush, though, which, you know, I don't wear highlighter. So, but maybe we can try it out today. It's very, very soft. There's Luxie here, and it says it's the 560 medium fan brush. It's a very, very delicate looking brush. Okay, here's the card, which we'll look at in a minute to talk about all the different products. We'll hold it. So let me see the bag.
It's beautiful.
It is, ooh, it's really nice texture. It's very smooth. Pink accents with a nice zipper pull. And let's see what we got inside. I think Sakura already pulled something out. Let's see what she pulled out. You can hold the bag. Okay, this is the Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream in the scent Sea Kissed. So this is something I have seen a lot, but never actually tried myself. I've tried their masks before, but never their hand cream. Let's see.
Oh, smell.
Yeah, we'll open it up here.
Smell.
Want some?
Yes.
Oh, it's frozen. So last night here, I think it, yeah, it's frozen. We're gonna have to try this a different time. I hope not everything in the box is frozen. Oh, it's totally frozen. Oh my gosh. So last night, you guys, it was, I think, standing air temp 15 below 0 Fahrenheit. I'm not sure what that is Celsius, but this must have been there since last night. I'm not sure when the mail came. Oh no. Well, we'll try this later. We'll tell you if we like it or not. What else do we have? Oh, we have another squeezy tube. This is from Glow Recipe, the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. Okay, so I'm not going to open this yet. I was about to smell it with the thing still on it because it is completely frozen. I can feel it in there. But I know Glow Recipe is a really nice brand. So I look forward to trying this eventually. It looks like a single shadow. This is from Nomad. I'm excited. So I've seen Nomad full palette show up in Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I have yet to try out their formula. This is this beautiful little box. It says henna on it, which I'm assuming is the shade name. It's an intense eyeshadow, intensely vibrant and super smooth shimmer burnt sienna eyeshadow with extra fine pigments infused with argan oil for crease-proof color. Free of parabens, phthalates, and mineral oil. Very nice. Would you like to open?
Yes.
All right. Look, it's so small.
Look how small it is.
Just a little single eyeshadow, but it's actually really nice packaging. Doink.
Ooh.
Oh my.
It's pressed.
It is, it has like
I
a,
think it's a V.
let's see what shade it is.
It's a VI or something.
No, I think that's an M. No,
That's an N.
N. It's an N. For nomad, I'm sure. Okay, look. Oh, look at that. Let's try it out. Pretty warm brown color. Nice. All right, what else do we have?
This is the last one.
We have a lip gloss. Beauty for real.
Pretty.
Sorry about the glare there. There we go. Beauty for real.
It's pretty.
And let's open it and see. All right, so I actually really enjoy getting little lip products like this because you can actually use them up. So I'm a little bit wary because it has been very popular lately for people, or not people, companies, to put peppermint oil in their lip glosses. And it is horrible on me. I break out and my lips are sensitive. So we'll see. It actually does not smell pleasant.
This is like not smell again.
It smells like something.
It smells weird.
I'm not sure if it's mint.
Here, put it on my lips and we'll find out.
Yeah, we'll both try it. So on the back of my hand, it's mostly sheer, which is good. I like a sheer lip gloss. So now we are going to try on the items. We've got a cat going after the camera here. Hi, Kitty. Come on over here. Come in. This is Penelope.
Eva's over here.
She was after the camera.
It's a kitty. We're going to take over.
Okay, so now to try on. So, let's see. The only thing I have on is tinted SPF. So, I'm going to put on some more makeup items so we can try on perhaps the powder. Let me see. What do we have to try on? We have the powder, the eyeshadow, the lip gloss. We have a couple brushes to try. All right, so I'll put on the rest of my makeup beforehand and we'll see how that goes. All right, so eyebrows are on. I think first I want to try out this pure powder. So it says it's pressed mineral makeup in SPF 15 and light. So I don't know if it's meant to be a foundation or what. I realized I forgot to swatch it earlier. Let's see how it shows up. It might be a good match for me. So let's see if I can find a good brush for applying powder. Let me see. Okay, so I found this brush in the shade. The shade? Oh my goodness. This brush is the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. So I have no idea if that's a good choice for applying a powder. We will see. So yeah, I'm just kind of interested to see if it is like one that adds coverage, like a foundation, or if it's just kind of blurring. Like I have no idea what it's supposed to be. So we'll try. I actually think it's a little bit dark for me. What do I got on my nose? Try adding not quite as much on this side. So my philosophy for buffing it in the way I did was I saw something that's how you're supposed to buff in powder if it's a foundation. I don't know. Please forgive me if I'm doing it wrong. But I think it's actually a little bit too dark for me. I should have tried to go for a light. I mean, I got light, but I should have gone for the fair shade. Yeah, I don't know. We'll have to wait and see how I feel about that particular item. Before we move on, blush. I'm gonna use this one from Sugar Cosmetics. I got this in an Ipsy probably last year. This is their Contour de Force Mini Blush in the shade 01 Peach Pink. Oh, I almost forgot. I almost used this brush, but I just wanted to try out that other brush. So set that over here. So let's try this 160F face brush. So it actually feels more dense. Maybe this is for like blending out bronzer and things, but you know, I don't wear bronzer, so Sakura left. So let's see if I can get myself more in line here. Let's try this blush. Since this is more of a dense brush, I'm trying to be more careful. I love blush. I don't know if on camera you can see much of a difference, but in real life I can see a very slight flush, which is how I prefer my blush to look. This is definitely much more of a dense brush than I would typically use for blush. I will definitely find a use for it though. It's very soft and very luxe feeling. It's nice. Okay, next spray. Oh, I need to get my eyeliner.
Spray.
Before I try out that eyeshadow, I'm going to tight line my eyes. What are you doing? Okay, now I'm going to put on some eye primer. That's the only eye primer I've ever tried. This is the Morphe eyelid primer, and it really helps me. I'm sure probably any primer would. I tend to crease heavily. You know what? Let's do lips before eyes. Okay, so Sakura, her favorite is also lip gloss. Same for me. So first I'll try it on, and then you want to try on lip gloss? Okay.
But what if it's pepperminty?
Then you get it.
Yay!
If it's peppermint, I can't keep it because I will break out in a horrible itchy rash on my lips, which is something I want to avoid at all times. Oh yeah, it's mostly sheer. It seemed to escape the freezing that the other things had.
It looks good on you.
Yeah, it's just kind of shiny, which is, you know, good. I like it.
But it's pink. You
want to try?
don't eat it.
So far, I'm not getting any weird tingly. Oh, there it is. I gotta take it off right away. All right, now to try this eyeshadow, I'm gonna scooch a little bit closer. Knocking things over here and get my mirror a little closer. So I'm trying to decide what to do. Oh, I forgot to finish my lips. Now that I've got that peppermint off my lips, I think I'm just gonna use this NYX Candy Slick Glowy Lip Color in the shade S'more Please. I love this. It's a very thin formula. It's so pretty. Ugh, my lips are still feeling weird from that tiny bit amount of time I had that peppermint on there. I hope I don't break out. Okay, now we can try our little eyeshadow here. So I think I might just try for just a one color look, or maybe I might come back in with a lighter color, maybe on like the inner part of the eye or something. So let's see, let's find an eyeshadow brush suited to the task. I've got a solo cup full of brushes. I'm gonna start with this Sigma E25 blending brush. Start here in the outer corner and blend it in. Once again, I'm happy it's a color I will use. Ipsy followed my wishes. I asked for like neutral makeup in the quiz that they have, and they listened. So thank you, Ipsy. I hope you can't hear the cat over here licking.
Ew. Looking for blood.
Of course she is. I think that's really pretty. I decided for the inner portion of my eye, I just went and grabbed my e.l.f. Classics palette to use the shade that's currently in my eyeshadow roulette. This one here, Blanc. I'm just going to take it on my finger and tap it on the inner corner and the like inner portion of my eyelid. Yeah, I really like that. Very nice. Ooh, need some more blending. All right, I'm just going to put on some mascara and we'll be done. A mascara didn't come in the bag, so I'm just going to use one that came in a previous month's bag. This is the one from Too Faced. It looks like this. It has a very silly name. I don't know why they name their mascaras the way they do. I call this the Girl Mascara. All right, so what do I think of the products? Let's see. First, let's talk about this Farrah brush. Once again, it's nice. I will happily try and find uses for it. Pure powder. I actually, you know, I don't know what to think of it. It has a nice, really nice soft texture, very nice, very finely milled. Looking at my face where I was really buffing it in, I actually think it looks really, really nice. I think I'm gonna have to try this more often. It's slightly darker than I need probably, but I can work with that. I'll have to update you guys on what I think of the glow recipe and what I think of the ahava. This, of course, was a major disappointment to me because of the peppermint in it. Sadly, Ipsy does not have a way for you to tell them, don't send me things that you're allergic to. And for some reason, lip gloss, they often have peppermint in them. In the future, I'm hoping I don't get any more of these. I've gotten a few of them. It's sad. Oh, and of course, this brush. Like I said, I don't wear highlighter, but I might find a way to use it for something. Here we have the little card. The theme for this month was clean slate. This is your year. Say goodbye to what no longer serves you. Habits, feelings, expired mascara, and invite in the new. Start your year on a path that sets your dreams in stone. And then they have information about all the items that were in the bag. Let me see. For that lip gloss, I want to know if they say that it has... Yes, it does. I should have read this before I put it on my lips. It says it's high shine, hydrating, and has a minty feel that's so refreshing. So it did say it on there. I should have read it first. Thank you guys so much for joining us today. Have a lovely day. I would love it if you would like and subscribe. It would mean so much to me. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.